The term crowdfunding is often used when people are raising money for charity, but it's also a way of anyone with a great idea to get financial backing from people who share their vision. It's a win-win deal. Great for developers because they receive funds to go ahead and build their product. And great for backers because not only do they secure exclusive discounts and other fantastic perks, they also get the satisfaction of knowing they actually helped to build the final product. So let's see how it works for Arabic Workshop. Sarah heard about Arabic Workshop's vision of a library of quality audio-visual resources. She tried out the free prototype and is eager for more. By paying for her subscription in advance, not only has she grabbed a great discount, but also helped to make it happen faster. Arabic Workshop will now use the money she and others like her have paid to hire the talent they need, like voiceover artists, illustrators and animators. As soon as the app is ready, her discounted subscription will start, and she'll be one of the first to use it. Her name will appear on the backers page, and she's now part of the story.